boat pose is a really great way to strengthen your core. Now, you need to make sure though that you have the prerequisite flexibility and stability in order to be able to do this. Assuming that you do, we are going to start by sitting as upright as we can. I like to pull my knees in toward my chest because it's really helpful for making sure that I'm keeping a forward tilt of my pelvis. Now, there are a bunch of different variations. So one of the things that we'll start with first is just being able to stay unsupported like this, okay? I would rather have you do this than straighten your legs and have to hold. So I'm here, so I'm squeezing my legs together as much as I can, staying as upright as I can, and then the more that I lift my knees up, the more challenging that it will be. So you can start by being here and trying to hold that, and then eventually then you can work towards straightening, or you can straighten one leg. Make sure to like and subscribe to the Mobility Doc YouTube and share with your friends and let us know what you think.